In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Asana, which is a fantastic tool for managing your projects efficiently. Using tags can really enhance your project organization, helping you quickly categorize and sort tasks. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Asana project. This is where all your tasks are housed, and it's important to ensure you're in the right place before adding any tags. Once you're in your project, the next step is to locate the specific task you want to tag. This is easily done by scrolling through your task list or using the search feature if you've got a lot going on. When you found your task, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the task details pane where you can see all the information associated with that task. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of this pane. You'll see three dots arranged vertically. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Add Tags. It's a straightforward choice that brings up a tags bar at the bottom of your task details. This is where the magic happens. Click on the tags bar and you'll be presented with options to either create a new tag or select an existing one. If you're creating a new tag, think about the most relevant keyword or category that best describes the task. This will make it much easier to find later. Once you've chosen or created your tag, simply click to add it. You'll see it appear right there in the task details, confirming that it has been successfully added. Take a moment to double-check that the tag is correct. This ensures that it will serve its intended purpose of helping you keep your project organized. And there you have it, adding tags in Asana is that simple. By following these steps, you can make your project management even more efficient. Tags are a powerful way to sort and filter tasks, making it easier to focus on what's most important. Whether you're managing a team or just trying to keep track of your own to-dos, utilizing tags can really streamline your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your productivity in Asana. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching and see you next time.